Here to break it all down, Jonathan Turley, GW University law professor, Fox News contributor. Jonathan, you were with us the night we broke this story of Tish James's charges. Now, the investigation, as it was still underway, but she said she made a mistake on the forms, and she keeps referencing an error or misunderstanding with the person known as, quote, the power of attorney. I could not follow the way she worded that. Can you educate me?
Well, what's fascinating is that James is saying, look, this is just harmless error. These mistakes occur. That's precisely the type of argument she rejected with Trump. In fact, the mistakes that she's referring to may have gotten her benefits in terms of a better mortgage rate. When it came to President Trump, there was no money lost by the victims. The bank said they wanted additional loans from Trump. So the figures that she cited in those filings didn't make any difference. No one lost any money, not a dime. And she said it didn't matter. She also said that you can't blame third parties or other people who file things because they're all filed in your name. So you are accountable. So it's once again this weird dichotomy, this contrast between how she treated the Trump case and how she wants people to treat her case.
Yeah, and calling it political retribution, again, that's very rich coming from Tish. But she thinks, I guess that's a legal argument, Jonathan?
Well, what she's really arguing here is it was a mistake, but it was corrected, or at least the truth was also filed. She's saying that this is de minimis, that it is not something that is a major fraud. And the court may very well agree with that, but the court will have to adopt something other than the James standard for these cases.
And I know this is an issue that you really do care very much about, Professor, so I have to raise it tonight. Sorry if it's uncomfortable, but someone very important in the legal community just joined officially the community of lawyers. Kim Kardashian announced that she graduated her law office program after 6 years. Well, she does a lot. She runs a lot of businesses, hugely successful. Professor, you teach a lot of young students and counsel a lot of young lawyers. What is your advice to her?
Well, Laura, after all these years, you have finally stumped me. Congratulations. I have a hard enough time keeping up with Andy McCarthy, and I refuse to keep up with the Kardashians. Look, I think it's great for people to go into the law. I don't know why everyone is not a lawyer, except we do need doctors. We need someone to sue. But I think that the best I could say is that maybe this is the opportunity that Andy and I have been looking for to create our own reality show of keeping up with the ambulance chasers, perhaps, and exploring our lives in a small co-op unit. What do you think of that?
I think that's going to play really big on local access TV, Professor. That's going to.
I do too. Yes,
that's going to do very well. But Kardashian can now at least, she can read her own contracts, right, and be familiar with all the billions of dollars she makes and familiar with contracts. She doesn't have to farm it out to lawyers all the time. Well, maybe she still does need to do that. But all right, Professor, I knew one day
I might stick with my day job. Yeah.
Well, okay. Yeah, see, good advice. Stick with your day job. I got the banner from you, Professor. Thank you so much.
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.